Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This company developed a device that can pick up different types of sauces, such as ketchup and mustard, without changing its shape.
The demo used a compact robot hand to scoop up and transport complicated forms, resembling a mixture of ketchup and mayonnaise.
今までこういうゾルゲル状のものを形崩さずに移動、いわゆる収動する収動板が中にありまして、そこにシートが巻かれておりますので、それを片側固定してシート中の
This man threw some ice cubes on the ground and pretended to slip and fall so he could claim money from his insurance. Obviously it didn't work out, and he was later arrested. Many professional car commercials are filmed using something called the Blackbird. This vehicle is used to place computer-generated content over the car. If you see a car commercial, there's a pretty good chance that the car itself isn't even there. This is a miniature mellow sea slug, and they can be found in the waters of Indonesia.
Hello. Who's come to say good day? It's Indy and her little Joey Brandon. Called him Brandon after our good mate in New York.
This cheetah found a tortoise, and I wasn't really sure what to do with it. This company developed a bag you're supposed to put on your dog to make it dry faster. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. This person did a study to see how accurate our eye and foot placement is when walking. The muzzle blast from this gun is deflecting the rain from falling on it. A photographer placed a mirror in the Amazon rainforest to see the reactions from animals. These people created the ultimate table for table tennis nerds. It shows you every little stat you would want to know about improving your game. This rhino charged at this car, but luckily nobody got hurt.
Merda. No, stay. Stay firm, stay first.
This person created a way to travel with your cats without putting them in a pet carrier. It's pretty much just a straitjacket, but it doesn't seem to bother them too much. This is what a reindeer migration looks like in Sweden. This is what it looks like when you add food coloring and a dissolving tablet into a water blob in space. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later! There are certain types of honeybees that create mesmerizing waves when they feel threatened. When a wasp or some other large insect gets too close to the hive, the honeybees work together to disorient the enemy. This wave effect makes it difficult for an insect to single out and attack an individual honeybee. This mailman is delivering a package, but the owner isn't home. He's afraid the package will get stolen, so the mailman asks the owner if he can put it in the recycling bin instead.
It's fine?
Yeah, we don't have anywhere else to leave it.
Would you like me to put it inside the recycling bin?
Oh, yeah, that would work.
Okay. My pleasure. Have a great day.
You too.
Авраам. Авраам, что ты делаешь?
These people in Indonesia were on a tour boat when the volcano suddenly erupted. The eruption sent rocks landing into the water close to the boat.
Down in the water, Robert Rhinos.
This is what a Christmas Island red crab looks like when it's only a few days old. This diver was swimming around when he accidentally created his own force field made of fish. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later!
In pushing back the right way again.
Come on, let's go.
Come. Lily wants to touch this. Get me
This plane crashed near a small island in the Pacific Ocean. Luckily, the US Navy was there to help rescue people and get them out of the plane before it sank. This person jumped in a paramotor and got some incredible visuals of the pyramids in Egypt. These two dogs are best friends and got to see each other for the first time in a week. This police officer was about to cross over these railroad tracks when a train came out of nowhere. The warning barriers came down after the train already went through.
Be advised, the gates did not go down at the metro tracks on 191. I almost got struck. I think metro's out here.
This person received an incredibly realistic tattoo of Tupac. This person was caught on camera trying to steal a bike from a police station. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later!